In a quiet corner of the magical forest lived a little fox named Shuri. She had twinkling eyes, a bushy tail, and a heart full of curiosity. One sunny day, Shuri decided to explore the forest she called home. She skipped through the tall grass, her tail twirling behind her. She met many friends along the way, a chirpy bird, a sleepy bear, and a wise old owl. They all chatted and laughed, sharing stories of their adventures. Shuri's journey took her to a beautiful meadow filled with colorful flowers. She had never seen anything so beautiful. She stopped to smell the sweet scent of the flowers, feeling grateful for the beauty around her. The sun began to set, and Shuri realized she should return home. As she made her way back, she spotted a small, lost kitten, crying by the riverbank. Shuri's heart went out to the little kitten, and she decided to help. She gently picked up the kitten and comforted it. The kitten, grateful for Shuri's help, followed her back to her home in the forest. From that day on, the little kitten became Shuri's best friend. Shuri's adventure had taught her the importance of kindness and helping others. Every day, she would share her stories with her new friend, motivating them to explore the forest together. The end. This heartwarming tale teaches children the importance of kindness, curiosity, and the beauty of friendship. It's a perfect bedtime story.